What if I told you that the next big animated blockbuster might not be created by human hands, but by AI? From Disney to indie animators, AI is changing how cartoons and animations are made. But is this a revolution or a creative nightmare? Stay tuned as we explore how AI is transforming animation, the best tools to use, and what this means for the future of creativity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Brainy Bites content. Let's dive in. Traditionally, animation is a time-consuming process, whether it's hand-drawn, 2D digital, or 3D CGI. But AI is speeding up everything. AI-generated characters and backgrounds. No need to draw every frame. AI can generate and refine characters in seconds. Automated lip syncing. AI matches lip movements to voiceovers, saving hours of work. Motion capture without expensive equipment. Tools like Deep Motion and Move.ai can create realistic animations from simple videos. AI-assisted storyboarding. AI tools like Runway ML can visualize entire scenes with minimal input. Imagine a world where anyone, even without artistic skills, can create professional quality cartoons. That's exactly where we're headed. AI animation is powerful, but can it replace human creativity? Let's break it down. AI animation. The pros: faster production. AI can generate an entire animation in hours instead of months. Cost-effective, no need for massive teams. AI can handle much of the workload. Endless creativity. AI can generate unique characters, styles, and ideas beyond human imagination. The limitations: lacks human emotion. AI struggles with deep storytelling and nuanced emotions. Over-reliance on algorithms can lead to generic or repetitive styles. Ethical concerns: job displacement for traditional animators. So, while AI is a game changer, human artists are still at the heart of great storytelling. Want to try AI animation yourself? Here are some of the best AI-powered tools you can use right now. Runway ML, AI-powered video editing and animation. Pika Labs turns text into animated video. Deep Motion creates 3D animations from real videos. Toonify converts real photos into cartoon characters. Stable Diffusion and Midjourney generate animated characters and backgrounds. Tools like these, even beginners can bring their creative visions to life. So, what's next for AI animation? Will AI create the next Pixar-level movie? Predictions for the next 5 to 10 years. AI-driven storytelling, fully automated animations, more personalized content, and the rise of AI-human collaboration. One thing's for sure, AI isn't replacing artists. It's just giving them new tools to push creativity even further. So, is AI the future of animation? The answer is yes, but with human creativity leading the way. Now we want to hear from you. Do you think AI will replace human animators, or is it just another tool? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like this video to support the channel. Subscribe for more mind-blowing AI content. Turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching Brainy Bites, and we'll see you in the next one.